if you can hear this, I'm going to tell you that this is kind of like a phenomenon that only happens a couple times throughout the year. It's where the air is so hot that it's causing so much friction between the clouds that it's doing these static discharges, which I guess you could call heat lightning, which kind of puts on a very neat little show. Not a lot of rain, a little sprinkle, but that's because the air is starting to cool down now. The closer the temperatures come down, the humidity will start picking up, and then voila, you got some rain there. But until that happens, you get a kind of like a big fireworks show going on. Interesting enough, for the clouds that I've seen from the flashes, it looks like the clouds are moving southeast, which typically out here it's more northwest, or I'm sorry, northeast, so it's heading a different direction than normal. The reason why the audio is so low is because I got a waterproof case on my GoPro right now. Occasionally you'll get a static discharge underneath the clouds, which gives you that spiderweb sideways lightning strike, I guess you could call it. Good thing I have my battery fully charged. Something I couldn't have done with my Kota Cookie either, because of the sprinkles. Wind's starting to pick up, which means we got about a minute to a minute and a half before the rain hits hard. I've been holding the camera pretty steady. Once I start seeing some of these static discharges, I'll move the camera around to those. Still about 45 seconds away from a full strong rain. The one's heading north, the lightning strike's heading north, is actually going straight down, or I guess straight up from Earth. If you're prone to seizures, I probably would say here in the next minute or two, I'd click off this video. What interested me the other day was I was watching this cloud all by itself, probably about a quarter mile wide, and it was just floating along by itself, and the friction with inside the cloud was so intense that it looked like a little glowing puff ball. Okay, so my timing was really off about this full-on rain. I hope this video came out really well. I know it probably doesn't do very well in low light, but it's still cool and neat to watch. Storm is still about 2 miles away. The people that I normally have come out to watch this with me are sleeping. Oh, there it is. Full on rain. Time to head inside. Thanks for watching this.